In this video, I'll show you how to fix cannot delete apps on iPhone after your iOS update. So if you're trying to delete or uninstall any app and you can't delete any app, or the uninstall option is missing in your iPhone, here's how to easily fix this. So as you can see, I'm going to hard pressing on Yahoo Mail app, tapping on remove app, and as you can see, here's only the remove from home screen option is available, not delete option. So I can't delete any app from my iPhone. So if you're also having this error, don't worry, here's how to fix it. Go to your iPhone settings app, and now scroll down and just tap on screen time, and here tap on content and privacy restrictions, and here you have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchase, and here tap on deleting apps, and here as you can see currently selected don't allow, so I can't delete any apps on my iPhone. To solve this error, here you have to select allow, and then now on you will be able to easily delete any app from your iPhone. As you can see, the delete option is available now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.